Hello, dear friends. Today, we begin a very exciting journey together. Many people dream of speaking English fluently, but they often feel afraid. They worry when they open their mouths. They want to say something, but sometimes the words do not come out. Their minds feel empty, and they stop speaking. Have you ever felt like this? Don't worry, you are not alone. Let me share a small story. Last year, my friend Daniel wanted to speak English. He loved English movies and songs, but when he tried to speak, he became very nervous. He would open his mouth, but no words came out. He felt shy and thought, maybe I will never speak well. But now, Daniel speaks English with confidence. How did he do it? He learned the real meaning of fluency. Many people think fluency means speaking perfect English. They believe they must use difficult words, big grammar rules, and long sentences. But this is not true. Fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency means you can speak without stopping too much. You can say what you want, even if you make a few mistakes. The important thing is, people can understand you. Imagine you want to order coffee. You can simply say, I would like a coffee, please. You don't need to say, I am requesting a delicious cup of hot beverage. Simple words are powerful. If your message is clear, your English is working. That is fluency. Now think about how children learn their first language. Do they read books full of grammar? No, they do not. They listen to their parents every day. They hear words again and again. After many months, they start to speak. First, they say single words. Then, they say short sentences. Later, they can speak freely. This is a natural way to learn. You can do the same with English. Start with listening. Listening is the first and most important step. Listen to English every day. You can watch cartoons because they use simple language. You can listen to songs and try to sing along. You can enjoy short English stories or watch YouTube videos made for English learners. You don't have to understand every word. Just relax and enjoy the sounds. Your brain is like a sponge. It will slowly absorb the words and sentences. When you listen often, your ears get used to the rhythm and sounds of English. You will hear how people use simple words to share ideas. Slowly, these words will stay in your memory. One day, you will notice that you can understand more. You will hear a word and think, I know this word. This will make you feel happy and give you confidence to speak. So, my friends, fluency means being comfortable when you speak. It means sharing your thoughts in simple English. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to use big words. You only need to speak clearly and calmly. Even if you say, today is a sunny day, that is fluency. Your message is clear, and that is what matters. In the next part, we will learn how to practice speaking every day. Speaking is like a fun game. The more you play, the better you become. Stay with me and let's continue this exciting journey together. Now, let's move to the next important step. Speaking every day. Yes, every single day. Speaking is like a small plant. If you give it care every day, it will grow strong. The more you speak, the better you will become. At first, you may feel nervous or shy. This is normal. Everyone feels this way in the beginning. Even people who speak English well now started like this. They also felt afraid at first, but they kept going. And you can too. Start with simple sentences. You can say things like, I am cooking lunch, or this is my room. You can talk about the weather. It is raining today. You can talk about your feelings. I feel happy today. These small sentences are easy, but very helpful. If you have a mirror, stand in front of it. Look at yourself while you speak. This will help you feel more confident. You can also imagine that you are speaking to a friend. Pretend your friend is listening and talk to them. Another fun way to practice is by talking to yourself during the day. For example, when you wake up, say, Good morning, I feel good today. When you are cooking, say, I am cutting vegetables now. When you go for a walk, say, I see many beautiful flowers. By doing this, you use English in real life. You are not just learning, you are living the language. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't worry if you say something wrong. When you make a mistake, you learn. Every mistake teaches you something new. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Another excellent method is shadowing. Listen to short sentences from movies, songs, or videos. Pause after each sentence and repeat it. Try to copy the way the speaker talks. Copy the speed, the tone, and the rhythm. This will help your mouth move naturally. If you enjoy music, sing English songs. Singing helps you practice pronunciation and rhythm. You can start with slow songs that are easy to understand. Read the lyrics and sing along. You can also record your voice while speaking English. Later, listen to the recording. You will hear your mistakes and your progress. Day by day, you will get better. If you have a friend or family member who is learning English too, practice together. Make a simple rule. Speak only English for 10 minutes each day. You can talk about your favorite food, your hobbies, or your plans for the weekend. Speaking with someone else makes practice fun. The most important thing is, don't stop. Speak a little every day. Just like watering a plant, your English will grow with daily care. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. In the next part, we will learn how to think in English. This step will help you speak more naturally and more quickly. Stay with me, and let's continue this wonderful journey together. Now, we come to a very powerful step, thinking in English. This step can help you speak faster and more naturally. Many learners first think in their own language, then try to change the words into English. This takes time and makes speaking slow. Let me tell you a story. My student Olivia used to translate every word in her head. When she wanted to say something, she stopped and thought for a long time. But one day, she started a small habit. She tried to think simple thoughts in English. When she saw a red apple, she thought, The apple is red. When she felt hungry, she thought, I want to eat lunch. These small steps helped her brain to get used to English words. You can do this too. Start by thinking about things around you. Look at your room. Think, the chair is brown, the window is open, the sun is bright. Do this every day. After some time, your brain will start to use English naturally. You won't need to translate anymore. Your words will come out faster. You can also ask yourself simple questions in English during the day. For example, what time is it? What will I eat for dinner? Where is my book? Answer these questions in English. This is great practice for your mind. Sometimes, when you are walking or waiting for the bus, try to describe what you see. Say in your mind, the sky is blue, people are walking, the dog is running. This is like a game and it is fun. You will enjoy seeing your English thoughts grow. If you have a notebook, you can write your thoughts in English. Write a few sentences every day. For example, today I feel happy because the weather is nice. Writing helps you remember words and make sentences better. It is also helpful to dream in English. Before you sleep, try to think of a small story in English. For example, tomorrow I will go to the market. I will buy apples and bread. I will meet my friend. These small stories will train your mind to think in English more and more. When you start thinking in English, your speaking becomes smoother. You won't stop so much to find words. Your brain will be ready to help you. You will feel more confident. And don't forget, you can still practice with friends. Make small conversations in English. Ask each other about your day. How was your day? What did you eat? What did you do? Laugh together and enjoy the practice. Remember, learning English is like growing a strong tree. First, you plant the seed. You water it every day with listening, speaking, and thinking. After some time, your tree becomes big and beautiful. Your fluency will grow strong too. Stay positive. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Say to yourself, I am learning. I am improving. I can do it. And one day you will speak English with confidence and joy. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep thinking, and keep growing. Your English adventure is just beginning.